What I have here is a 2007 Pontiac Grand Prix. It's a 3.8 liter. Things I've just done to the engine. Oil and filter has just been changed. The transmission cooler line's been changed. New antifreeze. New upper and lower intake gasket. New thermostat. New valve cover gaskets. And I believe that's all for the engine bay. Over here on the passenger front wheel, I got new rotors on both sides. This side got a new wheel bearing because it was going out. The front tires are almost like new. The back tires are about half tread. The whole car has been gone over and cleaned. Car runs and drives great. No issues. AC blows cold. 162,000 miles on it. It is an R title. The interior is fairly clean with the exception of a couple of cigarette burns up here, and that's it. The seats actually don't have any burns on them. The reason this was an R title was this hood had a little bit of a bend to it right here. This headlight was busted. The bumper still has a crack in it, if you can see it, but it only goes to right there. Got a zip tie in it right there holding it together. It wasn't worth my time fixing that. New fender and a new door because they were dented in. Besides that, everything else is good. So if you'd like to get your hands on a nice first car or a work ride, this is the car for you. Message me on Facebook, I'll get back to you, and we'll get you hooked up.